Hi guys, welcome back to Drift HQ. My name is Alex. Today we're going to be installing the SRS Concept camber and caster adjusters to the top of my shock towers on my E36. It's going to help correct any toe, caster, and camber you're going to have with the angle kits. For the SRS camber plates, they're going to have caster adjustment around the outside, camber in the middle. They're going to be made for E30, E36, E46, Z3, Z4s, and then it's going to be specific to whatever coiler setup you're going to have. I'm going to have BC Racing, so these are designed to work with the same bolt pattern that's going to be on the top hats. We're going to start by loosening the top nuts that are going to be for the shock tower. And then we're going to move over to use the jack to jack up the car as well as to get the wheel off. Alright, now with the wheel up in the air and my jack stand underneath, we're going to take off the wheel and then we're going to drop down the suspension so we can access the top hat. Now with the second jack in place, so my suspension doesn't droop while I take off the top nuts, we're going to remove these, and we might have to remove the sway bar too. With our strut bar out of the way, we're going to loosen these top camber adjustment bolts, and then we're going to drop down our top hat to get access to take off this top piece for our coilover suspension. With the top bolts off the shock tower, I'm not getting enough droop out of my suspension, so I'm going to jack up from the middle to see if having both front wheels up are going to be able to drop down my coilover shock. Well, that didn't really work. We're going to try to drop down this other side of the suspension because we're going to do both sides anyway and see if we get enough adjustment out of both sides. We have the car jacked up in the front, so we're going to loosen these top nuts and then we're going to lower each side with the jacks to slowly droop down the suspension. Now that we loosen the top bolts on the top hat of this coilover, we're going to take off the rest of our Allen heads, and then we'll be able to slide our old top hat off and replace it with the new SRS piece. With the SRS Concept and the BC Racing top hat side by side, they're going to be designed to accept the original hardware as well as the spacing, and then you're going to have much more caster adjustment as either stock with a neutral one, or you can have positive or negative. With everything on our passenger side loosely bolted on and in position, we're going to move to the other side, drop down the suspension, and put on the other SRS camber plate. We have the other side loosely tightened down. We're going to now adjust how our camber is going to be. As you can see, there's a lot of movement inside these new camber plates. There's also bolt holes for more adjustment as your whole entire lower control arms are going to move out. And with this kit, you're not going to have to cut your shock tower like a lot of other kits. With the car back on the ground, we're going to bolt down our top hats, make sure they're tight, and then we're also going to loosely adjust where our camera is going to be set at. With these SRS ones, we're going to get a lot more adjustment, and then we're also going to be able to play with our caster to have better self-centering for the car. That's going to finish our install of this How To Tuesday with the SRS Concept caster and camber adjustment plates. You'll catch us next week for another different install, maybe on this car, maybe another project, and other videos on our channel. My name is Alex.